Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Abdullah Creation. Viewers, in this video I am going to show very beautiful and stylish baby frock designing ideas. Viewers, all the baby frock designing ideas is very beautiful and stylish. I hope so. You like my video, then you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and then press bell icon and then press option all to learn my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. I have uploaded daily many designing ideas about fashion for you. You watch all the designing ideas and see all the designing ideas and watch my video without skip and watch my video to end. You will use this frock for your baby, for your customer, for you, for your friends, for your relatives. You share this video with your relatives, with your friend, with your customer. If you are tailor, you stitch new designing ideas for your customers. Viewers, you visit my channel and watch all the designing ideas that I have uploaded for you. Amazing designs. I have uploaded amazing designs for you. Viewers, you watch my video to end. If you have any question, ask in comment section about fashion, about baby frocks, about girls shirts, girls frocks, neckline design, trouser design, about tutorial, about cutting and stitching of neckline, trousers, baby frock, girl shirt. If you have any confusion about cutting and stitching of these frocks, you ask in comment section. Viewers, you like my video, you share my video, you subscribe my channel. Viewers, you watch all the videos that I have uploaded for you. You visit my channel and watch all the videos that I have uploaded for you. All the videos you watch without skip any designs. Okay, Allah hafiz.